Hi, Michael Mowbray from MoLight. If you're looking for a highly color accurate yet economical LED pad, check out our PAD200 from Golden Eagle. It's just $109, yet it gives you 95 CRI. CRI is color rendering index, and 95 is extremely high. A lot of places think 92, 93 is good enough. Not here. 95 is our minimum, and that's going to give you super color accuracy whether you're doing videos or you're doing photographs. Other reason we brought in this PAD200 is that I think it's a great light for light painting. A lot of people use LED wands, which we carry a number of them, and I think they're great for light painting, but there's times you need a little bit bigger light source, something a little bit wider. I think the PAD200 is great for that. This will run off of AC and it'll run off of battery too, and I'll show you that in just a second. But one thing I want to talk about is one little design difference with this, because you'll see a lot of pads this size, and some of them are going to be about 50, 60 bucks. So why should you pay $109 for the PAD200? Great question, but I'm going to tell you why. Number one, color accuracy. That's extremely important. You take a look at those cheaper LEDs, you're going to have color tints, you're going to have green tints, you're going to have color inaccuracy, you're going to have some issues with that. The next thing is how we're putting the LEDs in here. These are all side lit. So rather than putting them directly across the face, they're facing inward to try to give us a little less specularity. You get those cheaper pads, you're going to have more specularity than you're going to see with the PAD200. So flipping it around so we can take a look at the back here. Flips on. And right now I'm running it off of two NP-F-970 video batteries. So it's the Sony style video battery, very easy to find. We carry these in the store. You do need two to be able to drive this. This is a 25.6 watt LED. I've got it at 5% power right now. I can turn, I'm turning the color, I can turn the power all the way up to 100%. And same thing with color. I started 5600K. I have 100-degree increments. I can turn this down to 3200K. And you can see just how warm the background is now. It's nice as that. I've used this for portraits where I've used this to light the background and set it to 3200 degrees and lit the subject with one of the other Golden Eagles that was set at 5600 degrees. So that way it gave me a warm background, but normal daylight light on the subject. It's a nice blend, gives me some flexibility. And again, you've got the ability to hit all the increments in between 3200 degrees and 5600 degrees. So it gives you extra versatility. I'm going to turn this back down a little bit so we don't blow out the light. And then we'll flip it back around. And you can see just how bright this is when we turn up to 100%. So it's a very lightweight, very portable, it'll fit into most bags. Very portable LED light source that will run for over 2 hours. I've had this thing at 50% power with two of these batteries and hardly done a tick off of the power meter on the battery. So 50% power for 3 hours and it was still going strong. So if you're looking for something that's high quality, very color accurate, and still economical, the PAD200, an exclusive to MoLight from Golden Eagle.